Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. Picture this, you are cruising down a busy highway, the front camera captures every mile in stunning 4000 pixel clarity while the rear lens locks in on that tailgater, and if someone cuts you off, the G sensor kicks in to save the clip forever. All while the 24/7 parking mode watches your car like a hawk when you are not around, ready to alert you if anything bumps it. That is not a gadget dream. That is the Sprleaf 4000 pixel dash cam front and rear with 24/7 monitors, turning your drive into a documented adventure. If you are tired of blurry footage, missed moments, or cars getting dinged without proof, stick around because this dual cam, Wi-Fi connected powerhouse might be the road warrior your vehicle has been waiting for. And yes, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost. Let us hit the road. First, let us break down the features that make the Sprleaf 4000 pixel dash cam a total driving champ. This is not your basic single lens clipper. It is a front and rear dual setup with the front camera hitting 4000 pixels at 30 frames per second for ultra sharp day or night video, and the rear at 1920 by 1080 pixels, both with a 150-degree wide angle to capture lane changes and blind spots. The supercapacitor design is heat resistant up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, so it thrives in hot cars without failing like lithium batteries. Loop recording overwrites old files when full with a built-in 128 gigabyte storage that holds hours of footage, and the G sensor detects impacts to lock current clips so they never get deleted. The 24/7 parking mode uses motion detection and time-lapse to watch your parked car, sending alerts to the app via Wi-Fi 5 gigahertz connection. The 3.1-inch IPS screen flips for front or rear view, and the app lets you preview live, download clips, and set sensitivity. Voice control with OK-Cam starts recording or takes photos, and it includes a 360-degree rotatable mount for perfect angles. Setup is straightforward. Plug in the 12-volt car adapter, mount the front cam on the windshield, connect the rear with the cable, power on, and format the SD card in the menu, under 15 minutes. I installed mine in my daily driver, hit the road for a 2,000-mile trip, and the footage was flawless. Parking mode caught a shopping cart bump with time-stamped proof. Overall, it is comprehensive coverage that blends high-res video with smart safeguards for every drive and park. I have been rolling with it for 6 weeks, from city commutes to cross-country hauls, and the heat resistance and loop save have been lifesavers. Now, pros and cons, because real road gear means the full scoop. On the pro side, the 4000 pixel front and 1920 by 1080 rear deliver unmatched detail. You see signs, plates, and faces clearly, and the 150-degree angles minimize missed action. The supercapacitor handles summer scorches, G-sensor locks clips automatically, and 24/7 parking mode with app alerts gives proof when you need it most. At around $120, it is a steal for a dual-cam 4000 pixel with easy Wi-Fi app and voice commands. Users rave about the wide view and how it deters road rage with instant proof. Bottom line, it protects your peace, documents your drive, and feels like a co-pilot without the cost. The cons fairly flagged, $120 is not free, though cheaper than premium brands, and the rear cable is 15 feet, so for longer vehicles you might need an extension. The screen is 3.1 inches but not touch, so menu navigation is button-based. A few noted the voice control is hit or miss in noisy cars, and it needs a stable 12-volt outlet. These are minor bumps in a smooth ride. So do I recommend the Sprleaf 4000 pixel dash cam? 100% yes, especially if you drive daily, park in lots, or want proof for insurance without subscriptions. The pros like sharp video and parking watch far outweigh the cons for commuters, parents, or road trippers. It is a drive defender that pays off in proof. If that is your highway, click the link in the description right now to snag it on Amazon. Best prices and deals await. Quick call to action, if this dash dive drove you home, smash subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the next road ready. Clicking that affiliate link keeps the footage flowing and costs you nothing. One last reminder, grab the Sprleaf 4000 pixel dash cam through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. If this rolled up your ride, drop a like, share with a driver buddy, or subscribe for more. Stay safe on the road.